Hello there. Okay, so we have a challenge. At least I have a challenge. I will not be taking my main backpack, which means no filters, no tripod or tripods, no backup camera. I'm just going to be taking one camera, my iPhone. I will not be driving to my destination. I will not even be taking my bicycle. I will be going by foot. My challenge is to cover as much of Venice as possible, taking video and photographs, and it'll be from noon until sunset. I'm getting sunset and night photos, but as much as I can get in between. That's my challenge. I'll be checking in either during the shoot or at the end of the day, if I have the energy. All right, so here we go. I'll catch you later. I always shoot manual for both video and stills, and so for my video I had to put a ND filter on my camera to keep a constant shutter speed. Down the boardwalk now, gets crazier and crazier down here. Yeah, he's got the crowd going. little after 7, so that's a good 7 hours, I'd say. And my feet are telling me, yes, a good 7 hours. Highlight of this trip, I suppose, would be the skate park. Some good video, and I think I got some pretty good photographs, so make sure you wait until the end to see those. And let me see what else. Oh, sunset. I think I have some good images of the sunset as well. So yeah, be sure to check out those as well. All right, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, hit that bell. You'll be notified of more content. See you all soon. Take care now. Bye-bye. Around a lamppost to get this long exposure.